Hey guys, how you doing today? Today I'm about to show you a trick that I found out in new motors Toyota. The one that have a smart access key. It could work for you. This one is a 2019 Toyota Rav4. This one is the Venture trim, and I found out that you don't have to pay actually extra for a remote start. It basically came from factory. You only have to type twice and hold it for 3 seconds, the lock button, and your vehicle should start up. That's really nice. Now you can save a couple hundreds and have it. That's really nice. And stay tuned in so you guys can see the results. And don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
Hey guys, this is a new trick that I want to share with you guys. You guys now don't have to pay extra for a remote start. Your car should come with remote start in the new models of Toyota. Let me show you this one. Actually, the Venture grade actually work perfectly fine. And let me show you this. If you type twice the lock button and hold it for 3 seconds, your car should start up right after. Just like that. It actually worked perfectly fine. I never pay extra for a remote start. And that I think it should work in other new models Toyota. If you try in a new model Toyota, let me know in the comments. You see guys, and it works actually as any other remote start. If you walk to your vehicle and just open the door like that, the car turn it off. Just basically as that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below my channel and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.